Just wanted to make a little quick video about these right here. PT Cruiser camshaft sensor. You might be buying and replacing like 30 of them at one time, and your car's still not working. You're trying to figure out what the hell going on. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. Of course, you know it's down here. Get focused right there. PT Cruiser. Everybody know where they at. I'll tell you a little secret. If you change that and your car won't start, this is what you gotta do. You gotta find the hot wire on that plug. Hook another run a straight hot wire from the hot wire on that plug to your battery positive. Okay? The hot wire on the sensor, on this right here. It's gonna have a ground, a hot, and all that. One of them gonna be a hot. Run straight 12 volts from the battery straight to that sensor. Start your car then. I bet you start. Let it run. Then take the hot wire off, and your problem will be solved after you change this if it's bad. Sometimes when you change them and put a new one on, the car just don't recognize. I guess it's this, that you got a new one. All you got to do, run a hot wire from the battery under here straight to that hot wire on that sensor and start your car like a jumper wire. Another how-to video. Y'all take it easy. Peace.